Hi guys, this here is a quick video on how to fix some block issues, especially when you're aligning two sides up side by side. They're supposed to match, and no matter what you've done, it doesn't work out, which seems to happen. So basically when I look at this block here, it's not matching here. Like up to here is okay, and then here it really doesn't. So what we got to do is drop this side downwards. Best place to do it is going to be this seam here. That way you don't have to take out a whole lot. So just look at your block and think, okay, where is the most upper place above the issues that I can drop it down? And then how do you drop it down? So the basic way is we're going to take out this stem here on these leaves quickly. And go just above it a little bit so we can get at that seam. There we go. Okay, now this seam here is the issue, so we'll flip that back. And what we're going to do is, instead of the 1/4 inch seam that it is, we're going to actually sew an 1/8 of an inch seam. So don't rip anything out yet. Just go and sew an 1/8 of an inch. That way you know it's not going to move. Now I'm just going to sew over that one more time because an 1/8 of an inch is a shorter amount of fabric, and you want to make sure it's reinforced. At least I like to reinforce it. Make sure it's all caught, everything's good. All right. Okay, so then what we do is open it back up and use your seam ripper, but only on the first set of stitches. Don't rip everything out. But that way you know it's in place. It's not going to shift on you. These out. There we go. Okay, and then it's gonna boom come down. There you go. You can iron that out so it's gonna look all nice again, but what it does is you can bring it right down again so that pretty much everything's gonna match. And there you go. It's how you can fix some very simple seams. So on your blocks, just make sure that you look for the uppermost problem, the easiest seam to move down. Keep it in place while you do it. That way things aren't all over the place. And there you go. Hope it can help.